Hi guys, today we will learn about Amazon Web Service, how to set up a cloud account. Initially, we will enter the root user email address, whatever your email address and your account name, and then we try to verify the email address. Once you click the verify email address, and you will get a verification code on your email account. You can just go to your email and check the inbox where you get the verification code. You can just copy it, and then paste it at the verification code, and then verify it. Okay, once you verified, you can add your user password, add root means passwords, and confirm your passwords with these kinds of conditions. Uh, and you can save the password for your future use. So once you are done with the password, you can just continue for the next step. Uh, Maybe I have missed some usual password. Let me change for a different password and try once again. Okay, okay, okay. I've just changed few things. Let me see again and try once again. Uh, I think that should now. I think I'm using a similar password. Maybe that is the reason it is showing as it's kind of a publicly known through a data set leaked. So let me change for the password again with a different password. Mm, yeah, okay. Yeah, I think okay, this should be fine. So you always choose for a better password or a strong password which is not leaked and already many third-party guys have it, and it has be and your cloud account gets hacked. So let me try with a new password. Yes, it is done. Okay, now we need, if it is for a business purpose, you can select business purpose, or for your personal purpose, you can use a personal, and you can just give your actual name. I would just give my demo account names or any of the details, whatever is required here. You can choose your country, whichever country you belong to, and give your address and all those, and even the address, city, or any requirement on the sign up page, because this is all about a contact information. And as well as in the free tiers, we have completely free and a 12 months free trial on this cloud which we are using, and you're signing up for it. So once the sign up information or contact information is given, you need to give your debit card or a credit card for your requirement. And so you can, as well as you need to give your PAN number, and just a 2 rupees would be cut for the verification of your account. And and once the verification is done, and it will, then you'll go to a sign up for confirm your identity, means the number, phone number, whichever you are given to, just to verify that. For the verification purpose, you can select text message, and you get an verification code. So once you enter your mobile, you get a verification code. Just need to type the security check. Once that is done, you get a verification code on your mobile as a SMS. Then you can just continue it by entering it. So once that is also done, then you will be moving into a next page where, whether it is a free tire or it's a chargeable or whatever, you can choose a free tire for your test purposes for 12 months, and you can use all the services for 12 months. Later on, you can choose according to your needs. You can be business purpose, you can add upon and completely sign up. And moreover, one more thing, once your sign up is now the sign up is done, you can just click to continue and then again sign in. But usually it takes 24 hours to activate your account. So once your account is active, you can start using all the services. And so that's how it is. Just let me show you whatever I've told you. So let me log in, and for just for confirmation, I'll just try to go into any try to search on the instances or create an instance. Once I do that, I think it should show the same thing. What I told you, that the activation takes 24 hours. 24 hours. So I have put it across on my thing on the video as well. I'll just sign in so that you can see it. And so we are logging into the AWS console. So let me check on EC2. You can check here or EC2 or go to services, or you can directly type in the search tab here EC2 or any AWS Amplify, EKS or anything you can just type here. Let me try to type EC2 just for an example. So I'm typing EC2, so I get EC2. So I'm clicking on EC2. Once, what would the message I would get once I go to EC2? See, it says it takes 24 hours to fully activate your AWS service. So all the details is that it would come the same way for you. So again, if I complete, it will again it go for a sign in, and again it will show the same thing. I'll just show you once again. So that would be the same thing what it would show even you log in twice, thrice, or whatever it is. It takes 24 hours. And next video will be on creation of instances or a cloud server. Thank you.